We just saw the town of Eugowra. It was just absolutely devastated, you know. There was a great torrent of water coming right through the town. We were flying down the river and we could just see houses in the middle of the river all over the place. And just when we were near Kim's house, we saw her come out onto her balcony and wave her arms. And from above, we could see down at her house, and she was literally in the middle of the torrent of water of the river. When I winched down into the water, it was strong. Most of it was rushing water. It was brown, it was full of mud, there was so much debris like water tanks, vehicles, hay bales, animals just floating downstream. I'm thankful for our training that when I got into the water and came off the winch hook, that I was able to go up the side of the house and into our house to rescue her. Hello, my name's Aaron. Are you by yourself?
Yeah, just me.
No dogs or anything?
No, nothing here.
We're going to rescue you. Come out.
Everything. We're losing everything. The back door, yeah, that's all that stuff going out there.
We were going from house to house looking for people to rescue from their roof, and what we saw with the Smiths is that they were chest deep in water, and we deemed that they needed urgent rescue. We first rescued Leslie and one of the dogs in the rescue basket, and we decided to send me down to rescue Brian and Buddy. And when I got down to Brian, the water was up to his neck by now, so the water was rising so fast that I have got the dog Buddy into the animal rescue capsule and used a strop to rescue Brian back up into the helicopter. People will always want to take their pets with them, you know, and on that day we had rescued cats, dogs, even a turtle. I'm just so proud to work for Lifelight and the innovative company that we are to come up with new tools to do our job, and being able to also rescue animals, you know, man's best friend, that's an absolute privilege.